Hello everyone, in this video I will review SuperAGI. SuperAGI is an open-source autonomous AI agent framework designed to help developers build, deploy, and manage autonomous AI systems more efficiently. When you start using SuperAGI, you'll notice its focuses on giving agents memory, cool settings abilities, and tool usage, so they can operate with less human input. You can assign a task and the AI agent will break it down, use tools like APIs or web scraping, and report back with results. It comes with a clean dashboard where you can manage your agents, monitor their performance, and even connect tools like vector databases or third-party APIs. You can also run multiple agents in parallel and customize their behavior with prompts and configurations. SuperAGI is especially useful for developers and businesses looking to automate complex tasks from lead generation to data analysis or content generation. And since it's open source, it's free to use and backed by a growing developer community. Many users say it's a powerful alternative to commercial AI automation platforms, especially if you want more flexibility and control. It's not a scam. It's a legit framework built for real-world use, but it's best suited for users with some technical knowledge. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.